6 fatty foods which aid in weight loss. According to the initial beliefs of bodybuilders, a diet completely without fat was good for building physiques. However, after the failure of the zero-fat diet in 1980, they changed their thought to have a fat-full diet to build muscles. Once this too failed, they understood that extreme diets were not the solution to bodybuilding. It eventually got cleared that whether the objective was to lose weight or gain muscles, some healthy fats were always required by the body in a balanced amount. For bodybuilders, 20% calories were obtained from the fats, so it was a necessary element for both reducing and growing. Here are some sources of healthy fats which are helpful in all processes. 1. Whole eggs. This is a source that is rich in proteins and supply loads of amino acids to the body. It is also easily digestible, especially the egg white. In the egg, yolks are some good fats that slow the digestion process, providing more proteins. The yolk of one egg has 6 grams of saturated fat, which may increase if a bodybuilder has 6 or more egg yolks in one day. So, the best way is to keep the number of egg yolks less. The ideal amount is 3 egg yolks daily. With 1 yolk and 6 egg whites, you can intake 24 grams of protein and 6 grams of fat, which is perfect. 2. Salmon. Salmons are storehouses of omega-3 fatty acids, which help prevent the loss of glutamine and support the immune system. It prevents the muscles from getting inflamed and increases the storage of glycogen. It helps to lose body fat yet retains muscles during dieting. In 6 ounces of salmon, there comes 34 grams proteins and 12 grams fat. This amount of fat may seem more to you, but it either gets used in the body functions or, if it remains in excess, gives you the scope of practicing more cardio exercises. Based on your body size and mass requirement, you can also include 12 ounces of salmon about 4 times a week. Keeping in mind the importance of omega-3, dieters should try to have salmon about 4 times if they have small portions. Apart from fish, this is the next best source of omega-3 and is converted by the body into 2 compounds, one which helps to make muscles and another which releases fat. As the conversion process of this item has some limitations, it is always good to have fish oil or fish for the best results. If bodybuilders take 2 tablespoons of flaxseed oil, they get 22 grams fat, which helps build mass. Some dieters can also keep the dosage as 1 tablespoon. 4. Red meat. You always have to remember that an excess cut of dietary fats, carbohydrates, and calories can reduce the testosterone level of the body. This can also adversely affect the muscle building process. The fats in red meat are good for maintaining testosterone levels and also take care of conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which helps in obtaining energy from the fat sources of the body and helps in growing the muscles. In 6 ounces of lean meat, there are 32 grams of protein and 9 to 14 grams of fat. If you are looking ahead to build mass, then you can have red meat 2 times daily. It is good for any dieter as long as they do not cross the target of calories. 5. Cold processed oil. Normally vegetable oils contain omega-3 fatty acids. But, they may also be dead if they are processed too much in order to increase the shelf life. The extra process takes the growth-enhancing and fat-burning properties of vegetable oils. However, the qualities remain in cold-processed oils because they can generate bodybuilding hormones and increase the blood flow in the muscles. They also reduce inflammation. The best means of getting the omega-6 fats is to make dressing for salad wherein cold-processed oil is combined with 1/3 cup vinegar and 2 teaspoons of Mrs. seasoning. This can be put in the vegetables then. You can use this measurement every day if you wish to build mass, or else half of it is fine for weight shedding. 6. Low-fat cheese. Although dairy products are known to be high-fat food, low-fat cheese contains small amounts of CLA, which fights fats and builds muscles like red meat. In addition, there are peptides in dairy items that help in anabolism alongside the presence of vitamins and minerals. Low-fat cheese has favorable contents like casein protein. It helps in muscle building as well as providing proteins to dieters. Conclusion. Bodybuilders should not be scared of fatty foods because when taken in a balance they are vital sources that provide nutrients and calories necessary for building muscles. Several nutrients given by them are not found in other food items. Consuming these can be good for gaining mass and, when taken in a balanced quantity, can also help in shedding mass. Thus, these are great means to remain anabolic which should not be given up in totality.